Here's how to sign up for an Audible Premium Plus annual membership. So there's a link in the description, which is a shortcut to the annual membership page. On here, there's just a big yellow button that says start your membership. You get your 12 credits up front all at once, which is pretty awesome. You can use them on your account as you want to throughout the year. You don't have to wait for a credit every single month, which is also a better price than the monthly membership as far as per credit. You get access to the whole Plus catalog as well as podcasts without any ads or anything like that, which is nice. So you can gift this or you can start your membership just by clicking that big blue button, and it's pretty much just going to do that for you. So if you're logged in with your Amazon account, which is also your Audible account, then you'll just enter in your payment info and be able to start that annual membership right away. Now, if you are still looking for a free trial, there's also a link in the description that will take you to the free trial page. If you've already used it and just want that annual membership, you can do that pretty easily with the other link down there. But that's how you can try or start your Audible Premium Plus annual membership.